Hi, Mike. It's Heather here. I thought it might be a bit quicker for me just to send you a little video of how you do these, copying these reactions. So there's two ways that you can copy them. Either you can use the data transfer or you can use the reaction editor. So what I'll do is I'll show you both ways. So the first way, let's do a data transfer. Now you'll see I've got on my screen is solve and extraction 1 and extraction 2. And what I want to do is I want to get the reactions that are in extraction 1, and I just want to use the exact same file in extraction 2. So if I right click on this unit, extraction 1, and you can see it's already got a reaction file in it, mxs_1. And if I click on the R1, you can see it's got a whole bunch of reactions here, copper sulfate plus organic, the ferric sulfate, the ferrous, and all the rest of these things. Now to transfer this to extraction 2, which if we just have a look at extraction 2, you'll see there's no reactions turned on here. So going back to extraction 1, if I say options, data transfer, now what I want to transfer is just the reactions. I don't want to transfer anything else. So what I have to do is I have to go down where it says where the reactions are on. So if I click down, you'll see here it says the RB, reactions on. There we go. I tick that, and RB. So that's what I want to copy across to extraction 2. Click on that and say transfer. So it's very important that I've ticked both reactions on in the RB block. Done the transfer, I say done. And now if we look at extraction 2, if I right click here, you'll see the exact same reaction file is in here. I can now go and change the extents in this file, so possibly change that to 75%. So in extraction 2, that's 75. And if I click on extraction 1, you'll see that it's still 80% in this extraction 1. And there it is, it's 80%. Okay, so that's the one way to do it, using the data transfer. The other way is if I create another reaction file and then copy them, the reactions from the one unit to the other, using the reaction editor. So let's have a look at how you do that. So for stripping 1, I don't have any reactions in here, but I've got some reactions in stripping 2. You'll see there I've got a reaction block in here called mxs_4. And he's got a few reactions in there. So if I go to stripping 1 this time, in here where it says reactions, they're off. I'll go say I want to turn those on. Okay. And then you'll see I get this RB, this reaction block. And here I can go and say, okay, I want this to be called strip.rct. So, okay. And now it's going to wait for me to go and edit that file. So if I say edit RCT, you'll see it comes up with the reaction editor and it's blank. There's no reactions there. But if you look on the left-hand side, these are all the reaction files in my project. So MX4, which is my other stripper, if I click on there, you see it's got all these reactions. I can go say, okay, I want to copy this reaction into my new one that I've just created, which is strip. I just hold down my left mouse button and drag that to strip, and then I release it. And you'll see that's gone like a blue color. Let's copy that reaction across. If I click on strip, you'll see there it is. So it's copied it there. If I want to copy another one, I could click back here and just say, right, I want to copy this one. Hold down my left mouse button and drag it to there. And now you'll see strip R2 has got those two reactions. I can save it, close the reaction editor, and there you'll see in strip 1 I've now got those reactions. So I can see that in the help file it hasn't been that clear, but possibly what I might do is improve that. But I thought it would help if I did it this way. Okay, I hope that helps.